June 2021 is the last time I was in Kurdistan. 4 years, 4 whole years I haven't been back to Kurdistan. It's been a busy 4 years. It's been a very busy 4 years. But it's all gonna be worth the wait now because I'm about to have the craziest 48 hours in a long time. Come with me on this journey where I will go to celebrate Newroz at the home of Newroz in Akre in southern Kurdistan. Just so you know, it's 3:13 p.m. It's the 19th of March. Newroz is celebrated on the 20th of March. I arrive in Slemani at 3 a.m. I need to get to Akre for about midday. This is gonna be insane. And I'm not alone for this journey. I'm with my brother, Alan, my little brother, my not so little brother. But this is gonna be very special. I have never been to Akre during Newroz. I've seen the videos, they look amazing, and I've always wanted to go and it's never happened. It's finally happening and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's go. Time now, 4:30 a.m. But I am finally in Slemani. I can finally go to sleep. And in a few hours, we will be making our way to Akrê. Chef Bash. We woke up late. Oh man, 9, let's go. We are in Akre right now and the celebrations have started. You can't see, but up there, there's already, I don't know, thousands of people climbing the mountain, fireworks everywhere, traffic everywhere. There's nowhere to park. Looking for a parking space in Akre is not easy on Newroz. Just remember that. Get here early, not like us.
It's beautiful, I think. But this one is so called spring.
It was time to get ready for the celebration.
عليك السلام حما حكا حما على ما تقبل
Johnny, bro. Oi, wait. What's the outfit? Where's this from? Dolce Gabbana?
It's from China.
From China?
Maybe. Who knows? Yeah. And it's matching with my JBL color.
Beautiful. It's time for some Newroz music, yeah?
Yep.
Let's go. Akre's old town. One of those places that never fails to take your breath away. That's the beautiful scenery of Akre behind me, where you can hear his fireworks right now. What you can see here is these are the sticks that they use to set on fire, which the people then start to use to go up the mountain to the right. If you have a look up there, Badr Khan, and back to me. And we're gonna go and join them right now. Let's go. I came to make an educational video, but the love that I got here made that impossible. So here's Akre through my eyes as it happened.
What just happened?
Too much. The guy pulled up and he had his phone out and he was showing my video and I was just shocked. I was like, what's going on?
we are so late.
And not just pictures. Interviews. Po amro arroin hawla daim roin sar shaqaka volay agreka chan klipa begrino video ek druskin sar Akre و Newroz bo همو جهان تبقن بانگلیزی Newroz چی و امکن
گلک باشه گلک سپاس بود
زو خوشحال بوم برازن Newroz تام پیروز به بيجي زو خوشحال بوم برازن دلی برام حافظ
Welcome.
That's خوش. As you can see, it's been very very difficult to stop and talk in Akre. It's so busy. But there's going to be a lot of voiceovers. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of voiceovers telling you about Newroz. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it here. So here's a tip. If you come to Akre for Newroz, please come very early. You could probably then park the car somewhere here. Don't wake up late like I did. But I always blame Badr Khan anyway. Badr Khan, why was you so late?
Because he just arrived a couple of hours ago.
With each and every picture I took, I became prouder and prouder. Unmatched feeling. Change of plan. We are on a motorbike. Bashi Bram. Hello Bram. Shoni. Navi Tachia. Juan. Sivan. Biji Braman. كيف خوش بوم وي وي كويدي أزهرين ها كويدي أزهرين ها hey باشا بحري guys I'm on a motorbike hey خوافيس me and Sivan are going up to the top of the mountain in Akre. Let's go. It's madness out here, guys. This is not vlog. I can't vlog out here. Bashim bra Herbiji I'm at Akrê زور جوانا I'm بكو هيروين ما أنا هيروين بوسنوا أما أروى بوسنوا يا أخي أبرادران شلون يندوي
والله أو
مشكلة وانا خلينا فريق كدين وينو باشا بيش ما نيبرين استيسروا أجر دو موتوري ترتنا بوا
هاي نيلو بتشينا بشتو أبير بركو فني
خلينا بروينو لا بروينو ده see I'm too nice I'm not gonna abandon the rest of them. I'm gonna go back and get them and walk up with them. I'm not gonna be mean like that. تخلكي آكري برام شاركت زور جوانا بيجي اوكي برافو دست خوش روزا بيروز به ضلي برامي Office.
Go like that, we will be there by midnight.
Yeah, maybe. Because we arrived so late, it meant we had to rush to try and make sure we don't miss the celebrations. Okay, we found the way up. This is gonna be tough, I already know it. We're back to this hiking vibe again. I've not even been here for 24 hours. So the idea was to make a educational type Newroz video, but I think we're going for the crazy, whatever happens type Newroz video here. I thought we were getting close, but I saw this. We still have to go up there. Oh my God. I was not prepared. I was not prepared at all. And I was not prepared to see this beautiful view again. Every single time I see it, it feels like the first time. Look how beautiful that is. Now, Badr Khan, somebody's missing, right?
Now it's time to reunite with...
How are you, bro?
Finding each other in the streets of Akre.
Bro, it's crazy
like
in Akre right now.
mission, right?
I planned the educational vlog. It's out the window. You can't talk. You can't do anything. It's impossible. رزقان كوا رزقان تتشوي
باشم تشوي
بخير هاتي رزقان يا كم جارة هاتوا بباشوري كردستان
جار عوليا
لكاتي نوروزيش بخير هاتي
I was waiting for you.
We made it. Newroz Stampidos Let's go. ورا خوش زود خوشم كانيوم يا كم جار لجيان بين بو أكري بو نوروز اي كردانا اي كي اي بين بلا اي كي اي كردنا اي خمانا بيبنا كي وكو اما بيروز باي نوروز كان بين بلا اگر توانن يك بين بلا ان جايلن هر بيجي ونوروز Stampidos به سرچاو
I'm pretty sure we won't make it.
At this rate,
spend an hour doing pictures.
we keep getting stopped. It's absolute madness right now.
Let's
Biji, زور سپاسکم زور خوشحال بوم.
لا ترکماتکان و دنبالکم زور شناس.
زور سپاسکم دلی. لبر ایو بردوام
بود خوشم کاتو لشورش جناز زور.
ایشون.
Haka, put the scarf like this. And just move, man. Hide yourself, man. Hide yourself. You gotta move.
Probably the best introduction to Kurdistan possible. He just got off a plane from Germany at 2 o'clock, and now what's the time? Like 5?
5, yeah.
It's 3 hours after the plane.
That's it.
Let's go, that's how it's done.
To the Kurdish culture. Plain Akre Newroz.
Let's go.
I can't explain how beautiful it was to see people from around all of Kurdistan here in Akre celebrating Newroz together. It's something that you really have to go and witness yourself. It's unexplainable. I was meeting people from all over Kurdistan, from all over the world.
From Germany. Beji, Achtung. That's the only thing I know. Zor spas. Beji. Newroz Piroz Bebramen.
Now, as you can see, it's quite difficult for me to talk about Newroz while being there. So here's a quick overview of what Newroz is. To the world, Newroz is a new year, but to the Kurds it's much more, a fire that has never gone out. Our story goes back thousands of years to the legend of Kawa, the blacksmith, a man who rose against Zahak, a tyrant who fed on the blood of the innocent. Kawa lit a fire on the mountains to signal freedom. That fire became Newroz, a symbol of light conquering darkness, of people reclaiming their fate. But darkness didn't end with Zahak. For example, in 1992, in Jazir, Turkish forces opened fire on Kurds celebrating Newroz, killing and trying to erase our fire. And they weren't alone. Iraq, Iran, and Syria all tried to silence it. But we kept rising, because Newroz isn't just celebration, it's a resistance in every flame. And this resistance continues today against the same oppressive regimes. But still, from Akre to Ahmed, from Mahabad to Afrin, we wear our colors with pride. We sing, we dance, and we light the mountains, because no matter how many times they've tried to bury us, we are still here, and our fire still burns. Let's go back to the vlog.
And over here you can see they've put water ready for people to take for free before they set on this climb up here. It's not for free. It's not for, okay, you have to pay for it.
500.
You have to pay. It's not free. You have to pay. It's a beautiful sight because Ramadan and Newroz lands at the same time. I'm just making sure my mic is on. Ramadan and Newroz is at the same time. You see people now breaking their fast because the call to prayer has come on, and while they're celebrating Newroz. How beautiful! What a beautiful place to break your fast. And once they're finished, they will join in on the celebration. As you can see, people have got their flags ready. You can't see the top of the mountain right now, but there are people up there with sticks which will be lit with fire. I'm tired. I just went through a craziness. Have you ever broke your fast at such an amazing place before?
Never. So the special thing about this year Newroz,
I said this.
you say it?
Yeah, I said it.
It's so beautiful to have like two celebrations in one time.
Of
one
course.
pre-Islamic and one Islamic. So this means like we have tolerance as coexistence here in Kurdistan.
Newroz
The beauty of diversity.
Piroz Tanvir! Thank you so much for your video on Kurdistan. It was lovely, really, honestly. My Arabic is not great, but we love Kurdistan. The way you showed it was so beautiful, honestly.
People had broken their fast, sunset was approaching, and the celebrations were just beginning.
Busy. That's خوش. Busy. That's fast.
And here we go. The atmosphere was beginning to change. You could smell the fire. The people were ready.
Look at the view. They've started on the other mountains. It's crazy. How are we going to get the stick?
Man, it's so messy.
Okay, we're going to try and get a stick. Bashi Brahman. Badarek Benin. Now this is crazy. Everyone's trying to get one, and look behind what's going on. This is insane. Okay. Kakagyan. Wadara kagarem. Dane kamawe. Fartana.
We got one.
We got one. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm not going to lie to you. I'm quite an emotional person and things were starting to become a little bit overwhelming. This was very emotional for me.
از خلق باکوریم کردی باکور دمرا سلامک بشین.
سلاف و ریز جبو خلقی باکور تو خلقی چه باجاری؟
آگری.
آگری.
هاکان.
آگری. هر بیجی.
So our initial plan was that we would take one stick so that we could record each other as we go up the mountain. But as you can see, I started to lose my friends as no one without fire was allowed to pass at this point.
یک دقیقه. ابي بوستن بو برادران. برو. Come on. آخر بوستان بو برادران شفتم.
دران كانوبي.
I've lost everyone, but I'm trying to get up. So imagine this, I've lost my camera, my cameraman, and my friends. So now I'm all alone.
Newroz in Akre. This is insane. I've lost everyone. I'm on my own. I'm just walking up completely on my own. This is insane. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know if you can hear anything. This is absolutely insane. Wow.
Now holding this fire and trying to record myself at the same time is not ideal. So meet this legend, Abdul Salam, who is about to save the day.
Bra, اگر کشانی توزک لدوامو اگر دوامو بيني اما بس أولى
So the funny story, because you see only the beautiful things that are going around, like we're holding fire, walking around, having jokes. But the organization is so messy. Badr Khan and Diyar disappeared. How we gave him the fire stick? He had to walk all the way up to the mountain. We lost him, we couldn't join him. And I'm with Alan and Rezga trying to catch up. And we're like, let's forget it.
I honestly can't begin to explain the emotions at this point. It was beyond anything I could have ever imagined. It was completely surreal.
Crazy. I've lost everyone. I've got someone helping me recording. I know. First master comes out. هربيجي نتوش فيروز بإبراهيم الرئيسي كي عاقل يا بيت داي برو Whoa! What just happened, man? Oh my god! Oh, that was so tiring. Bashibra. What I thought would be a vlog of educational content of me, Arya, Badr Khan, Ruzgar, Alan, and the rest. Diyar, everyone. It's not. No education, it's just madness. One of the best days ever. One of the most amazing experiences. I can't explain how it felt to walk up this mountain with that fire in my hand. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.
And now everyone was in a party mood. Love, joy, and happiness everywhere you looked. It was so lovely meeting people from all over the world.
Slemani! Hindustan!
England, Italy, UK, Iraq,
Slemani! Sardashti Sarsav!
Czechia.
جیکانیا حجی حیان سیبین اسلاف فورس نوروز و پیروز بی
حتی جزیره بافتان نوروز پیروز بی
کره جهولر حتی بگین سیبینا رنگین اسلاف فورس نوروز پیروز بی
نوروز پیروز بی That's خوش.
I'm from the south of India, Kerala, and we didn't know there is a country called Kurdistan. But after watching some vlogs, especially the Badr Khans, the video of Badr Khans,
One world, one big family.
seriously, after watching his videos, we know that there is a country called Kurdistan, and we must go there. And after long waiting, we are here, and we amazed the hospitality.
What's amazing about it?
The people, just people. They have good nature, they have good culture, they have good food, but the people are, more importantly, they are amazing.
Guys, we are literally the last people to leave the mountain. We stayed up there, we enjoyed a great time. I tried to get as much footage as I can. I'm just thinking back whether I've even got enough to make a vlog. I think I do. I hope I do. It's probably a very crazy vlog, but it was amazing. Let me share my, whoa. Okay, recording, and I picked up the stick to light the fire, and then I basically lost everyone. Hey. I lost everyone, and then I went up the mountain on my own with the fire, and I found the random guy who was like, "Hi, Khan," and I was like, "Yeah, can you take my phone, and come with me and record me." And I recorded him, he recorded me, we became friends. Beautiful, and we're still in Akre, you can still hear the fireworks. And it was an amazing experience. I could tell you it was very hot. My face was burning, but it just felt so good. Even though
Your heart also was burning.
my heart was burning. It was one of the most happiest moments. I can't explain how I felt. You just have to do it. Try it. Go up that mountain holding the stick of fire and see what it's like being around the people. And then you start meeting Kurds from all over Kurdistan. It's just so special. 100%. Her Bijli Brahman. Kef Khosh Boom. And yeah, I'll try carry on in a bit.
The time was about 9 p.m. now, and we're just having our first meal in Kurdistan. And before we knew it, the party began again.
This is crazy. The vibe is up. My voice is broken. Amazing. Love it.
Thank you for watching, and I truly hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to support what I do and help me make future projects, then visit www.kurdum.shop, where you can shop for my brand. Every purchase directly supports my work, and I'm currently working on a season 2 for the collection. And there's even more exciting projects on the way. So thank you, your support means everything.